Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the Mahasagar initiative during his visit to Mauritius at the 10th anniversary of Sagar. And what is Sagar? Sagar is an initiative which called for security and growth for all the countries within the region of Indian Ocean. So we are focusing at the Indian Ocean region, and India did that announcement in Mauritius, thereby conveying that Mauritius is a key partner in the Indian Ocean region. But now the Mahasagar just not focuses on the Indian Ocean region. India is looking at building partnerships on security and on development issues with its partners across the global south. I think we are looking at all the maritime security challenges which the countries facing, whether it's maritime terrorism, whether it's illegal fishing, whether it's things like drug trafficking and others. And these are the challenges which India is looking not just in terms of building with the Indian Ocean region, but which are being faced by all the coastal countries across the world in the global south also. I think Mahasagar initiative has got nothing to do with the India-Pak conflict. It is more to do with building partnerships with countries across the world which have the same kind of mindsets on building their ocean economy, building their maritime security. So India is focused on supporting and sharing its own experience, whether in security or in